Hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. And today I feel very happy to meet a person, and he is doing his doctorate from Jadavpur University of Calcutta. He is Suresh, and now he is with us in our channel, and he is going to express his experience and his topic is this is topic and regarding his education journey. Suresh sir, and please introduce yourself and about your education journey, everything. Okay, welcome, sir.
Yeah, as Govind mentioned that my name is Suresh and I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I'm a PhD scholar. Before that, I did my BTech and MTech in mechanical engineering. I did my MTech from IIT Delhi. Since then, after that, I joined in PhD program in Jadavpur University. So my topic is friction stir welding. It is a kind of joining process. So basically, I'm working on the topic for joining pipe welding, which welding process is recently developed in 1991. So most of the researchers in the manufacturing field they are working in friction stir welding, and I am also a researcher on which we are working. Still, there have a lot of things we need to improve. There are a lot of things we need to research on this topic because it's a green topic. It's a green field. So basically, the topic on which I am working that I have mentioned, and I'm giving a little introduction about my topic so that people can understand. It is in terms of industrial point of view, the pipe which is used for flowing the high temperature fluid or high temperature gases. So this pipe is used on over the power plant industry, and joining is a very important for those kind of pipe because we often see that from the joining portion pipe has been break. So if we can strongly join the two pipes, then the pipe can be effective and it can be longer lasting. So the process by which the pipe will be joined, that is the friction stir welding, and this welding will be the more efficient than the other kind of welding, which is conventional kind of welding. So that is the thing on which I am working.
Okay, sir, thank you. Because what you told, the thing is unknown to us because we are unaware of because we don't know the even ABC in
Yeah,
fundamental
yeah.
things regarding mechanical engineering. Okay, let us. Okay, your topic is good. Now let us come to our language session. No, sir, I think as a student or scholar, okay, you are going to take your doctorate in a short time and how long time have you been practicing this communication skills in English language? And what is the purpose? And would you like to go abroad for your further studies or for placement? So why do you? How long time have you been learning? How long time have you been practicing English language? Share your
Yeah.
experience about your English
Since
journey now.
yeah,
Yeah.
since 2020, in the month of July, August, when the pandemic period is going on. So since then, I am using this platform, this WhatsApp group for improving my communication skill because in this means career in the English is most important for career growth, and for the research scholar and for the academician. As an academician we need to have good communication skills so that we can convey our thought very easily to the students or to the scholar. And obviously I have the motto to go abroad for the further research, that is postdoctoral, and for that I need to improve more so that I can communicate with very easily with a person in different worldwide. That have the English is the international language, it's a global language, so obviously this language should be improved so that in our workplace, for our career growth, for our achievement of our goal, this language must be improved.
Yes, sir. English is a window of opportunity. It is a
Yeah.
everything, and it is learning English is earning money. It is a bread and butter. Without having language fluency, this language because of an international language, and wherever you want to go, and whatever the job you want to go do, and so whatever it may be, and without English fluency or English language skills, we can't survive, we can't exist ourselves, and we can't prosperous and progress in our profession as a person, as a profession, and we have to develop our communication. The communication in English language is very essential nowadays, because of it is a global language, and being a
Yeah.
global citizen, and everybody has to develop the English language. Okay, sir. And do you feel any difficulty while you are learning English language? While you're interacting with other people, do you feel any difficulty? And
Yeah,
whatever your, yeah.
when I was in initial stage, so on that time I felt lot of problem. So on that time, I was stuck, but nowadays I'm in moderate state. So nowadays I can communicate with any person with any topic. So that kind of confident I build up through this through development this communication skill, and this obviously this WhatsApp group also, the members of the group is also helped me to lot to improve my communication skill. So now I can communicate without any hesitation.
Okay, okay. With your experience by using the WhatsApp platforms and online platforms, I think you could have developed your language fluency. Now you could able to speak with any person. Okay, sir. Thank you. Like that, anyone can learn language by using this WhatsApp platform or the YouTube or any the other just online platforms. Okay, sir. Thank you. And what are your suggestions, or what is your suggestion that you are going to give a new learners? Because many people are just eager to learn English language, and they want to learn some shortcuts. And okay, can you explain and can you express your ideas? Are there any shortcut methods to learn English language, and how can one learn English language easily and effectively, effortlessly? What is
See,
your idea, sir, regarding? Yeah.
as it is the language, so there are no shortcut to achieve a goal. So we need to practice, and there are four ways to practice, that is listening, writing, reading, and speaking. So
Yes.
for improving the communication, speaking communication, we have to speak lots. For writing communication, we have to write, we have to read. Then listening is also very important things. When we listen the speakers, so on that time we grow up our listening ability. We can get new word. Our vocabulary should be strong by reading and listening. So all way we can there have two four ways to improve this communication skill. So all tools has to be have same important for improving the communication skill. If you only talk, so you are sometimes your vocabulary will be limited. So for improving your vocabulary, you should write, you should listen, so that that can be improved. And obviously you must everyone must practice in different with a different person in with different topic, so that they can acquire the knowledge as well as the English communication skill. So
Yes,
that's
okay,
the
sir, and your suggestion is good because to improve the one's communication skills, one has to listen more and also develop vocabulary. So, with the
yeah.
help of the vocabulary and just try to interact with other people and like-minded people, and keep on talking something with somebody, and that type of practice must be there, and to be a speaker and a good communicator. Thank you, sir. Your experience is good, and that in that way you learn. I think all the viewers and who wants to learn English language, they have to follow and try to learn new vocabulary by reading and by writing. Also have to use those words in your work of life when you're talking with your near and dear with your colleagues, and also make a group or make a friendship with the like-minded people, so that you will have a lot of time, you can interact with them very happily. So by interacting every time, everywhere, all one can learn a language. I think so that what my suggestion, according to our Suresh, and who is the scholar in his mechanical engineering, and who wants to go abroad, is also doing like that, and he could have achieved, and he could speak very well like that. You also try like him, and you can also be a speaker like him. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Suresh, sir, for your
Yeah, thank
great
you.
experience. And I think my viewers will follow your suggestions, and they will learn something, because to put into practice, only practically we can learn something. No, this is the practical knowledge, like cycling and swimming. Okay, like that. So one can learn a language. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Suresh, sir, for your
Yeah,
great.
thank you. Thank you all.